I'm Sabrina Samuels, and welcome to my show, Upfront and Personal. It's my intention to deliver information that will help us maintain a quality lifestyle in all aspects of our lives. So let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sabrina Samuels, and I surely do thank you for tuning in. To all of you fabulous ladies and gents out there, thank you for your support. There's thousands of videos you can watch, thousands of channels, but I appreciate you tuning in to me right now. I won't hold you long, so I want you to stay until the end. And I'm just excited about not only the new year, but many of you have asked me to show you different rooms in our home. Well, we just had our home painted in the family room and the kitchen area, and it's so beautiful. So I'd like to give you a little tour of that. And this edition is going to be about lifestyle, how to make a home look like $1,000,000 very, very frugally on a very frugal budget. Now, what I did, I'm going to show you photos of before. This is the family room. This is where we do the eating, the entertaining, you know, the kickback, all of that. And we really enjoy the room, but I never liked the color. This is a beautiful tan color, but because we have so much wood in this room, it didn't pop. So I tried to bring it up with splashes of color. We ordered the burgundy leather recliners, and then of course I did splashes of color with the rug and the accent pillows. But I just never had that feeling of openness, of, you know, that real grandeur feeling that the grandeur you should feel when you walk into a home. And I knew that the walls needed to be brighter, so we finally were blessed to have our walls painted. And I'm so excited to give you a little tour. So you see the before pictures. I was talking as I flashed the before pictures, and now let's take a quick tour. I'll be right back. What I like about the new color is it brightens everything up considerably. It had a tan color on the walls, which kept the room very dark, and we have burgundy furniture, which made it even darker, so I popped it with color. But when you add the paint, which is so important, a beautiful shade of white or cream, it will bounce off the walls onto your furniture, and it will just give a beautiful look. So I just wanted to capture that first and just give you a look at the top that will give you that feel of grandeur. And look at that. And then you take it all the way to the ceiling, and of course the white pops off the ceiling. I like that. I'll give you another view here. I'll take this back down so the sun won't affect the lighting, and it just makes that room pop. It makes it open up considerably. I did change the pillows. I'll give you a closer look at the pillows to reflect the color of the walls, to pull everything together. You want to pull everything together with your accent pieces. Now let's take a closer look at the accent pieces. I simply changed the floral arrangement out of the vase here to a soft white color here. You can see that, and it pulls in the wall. There were different colors in here at first, but it was too dark, so we left the dark floral in the back, but we put the accent there. And look at how I took a beautiful feather. You can get that from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I just put that on top of the
pull it down here. The lamp. And it just gives it a very chic look. It just pops it a little bit more, pulling the color in from all angles. The burgundy, the blue, the different pastel colors, and the pillow. I'll go on that pillow so that you can see that white. And I got the covers from Amazon. You get 2 for, I think, $14 or maybe $27, I'm not sure, but very, very reasonable. And you just take the old case off and put the new case on. You get the size that you want, and it just really pops the pillows, but it also brings in the room. Now let's swing around here and go to the couch area, and you can see how that white, red, burgundy, blue, all the colors are right there. The rug also reflects the colors in the room. I can't remember where I got that rug. It was a few years ago, but it's so easy to find. And now I took this floral arrangement and I put white tea roses in the mixture of what I had so that we could pop that and bring the colors together. So I'll pull that back out, and that shows you the couch, how you can just take simple accent pieces, very, very inexpensive, and make your room look very expensive. Have a few nice, choice, expensive pieces in there, and then pop it with some color and splash, and make it look rich. Here's yet another angle of the room, and you can see that it has a very rustic feel in the kitchen, so the color of the walls really bring the kitchen out. And then I'll go closer to the kitchen table, the breakfast nook area, so you can see how I popped the color there. So we just really softened up that brown. We like the wood, but we wanted to have brightness. We wanted to have that brightness and that lightness and that illusion of feeling bigger, and it really does do the trick. Here's an angle of the fireplace. Now that the walls are white instead of tan, the fireplace really pops and it gives it a very grand look. And I'm going to take it to the top so you can see how the color at the top. Your ceiling is very important. The ceiling used to be tan, and it just made a very small feel to the room. But you can see with that color there, it really pops the fireplace. It gives it we still like the warm environment, but it gives you that along with a light, spring, airy feel. And that's what it's all about, making you feel comfortable and at home. And I'll just bring that down so we can see that. And you can see how the colors, even though we have dark colors in the room, it really pops with splashes of color, and the white walls make the brightness. So get your walls painted. And finally, our kitchenette area, the breakfast table. We eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we do have a formal living room that we use when guests come over, or sometimes we just sit in there just to use the space, but this, for the most part, is where we eat. And the white walls actually pop the outside. We can actually see the outside better because now it has light on the outside and on the inside. And I'm going to swing it around here. Now, I love this tablecloth we purchased. Guess where? Amazon. And we have our grandchildren eat at this table. And I like it more on the formal side because we're teaching our grandchildren about etiquette and how to eat at a formal place setting. And they mess up quite a bit. So I needed a tablecloth. It used to be a teal blue tablecloth here, and they messed it up. It was terrible. I found this incredible tablecloth, you guys, on Amazon, and it's vinyl, and it looks like cloth. It is so beautiful. It's amazing what this tablecloth looks like, and it's sturdy. It won't even move. Once you lay it down, it won't even move. It's just wonderful, and it gives it a very elegant look. Let's see if we can zoom in just to see that better. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? It lays out beautifully. We also decided to decorate the table, the charger plate on the table with a cloth napkin and a beautiful, simple napkin holder here. I'm trying to zoom in here. Look at that. So the charger plate, the place setting charger plate, and then the napkin. Of course, we just toss that to the side, use regular paper napkins, and then we put it back on the charger plate after we finish eating for decoration. So we really and truly love this setting. Our grandchildren love it, and it's a very easy cleanup, no stains. The spilling just wipes right up. We really love it. Okay, let's just look at that wall very quickly. That wall used to be tan, and of course tan on this wood made it very dark in here. Now it's super light. And let's see if we can get to the ceiling, because I'd like for you to see how the ceiling affects the way that room looks. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Kind of gives you a cathedral look. There's a, there you go. Okay, so you get a feel for that. All right, let's bring her back down. And that's the, oh, let's show you this beautiful tool I put on our chandelier. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. The chandelier here, I love the chandelier, but it was just too dark. So I accentuated it with tulle, and I used a gold lame tulle. My husband loved it, so I said, well, we'll keep it. So it's been here since we've been here. But look how elegant. And you can dress up any light fixture. You just would be surprised with what tulle can do with hanging different ornaments on your light fixtures, etc. It can just give you that pop you want and give you the elegance that you really look forward to seeing when you come home. You've got a beautiful home. You didn't have to spend too much money. Unless you want to, of course, and that's great too. We have beautiful quality items, but I shop on a budget. I'm very frugal, but I know quality. So I'm sharing my secrets with you, and I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lifestyle tour. Okay, let's finish her on out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of the Sabrina Samuels Show, and I hope you picked up a few tips along the way. And don't forget to go to my website, sabrinasamuels.com, to take you to the Beckman Method, our online training program. We have some exciting things going on right now. We brought back the intensive 3-day workshop. It's $5,000. Some people will be interested and some will not. But if you are interested, give me a call and I'll tell you all about it. Really exciting. This is for those women out there who want to change the inside and outside, and they're not afraid to go for it. So that's what that's all about. But we have other things to offer you, so make sure you visit my website. Don't forget, you are a winner. Never forget it. Know it in your heart and soul to be true. Know that with a little hard work and perseverance, you can do what you want to do in life. Why not? Our Heavenly Father gives us the gifts that we all have, but sometimes we don't use our gifts. Use your gifts to the best of your ability. Be happy for others and make sure you're happy for yourself. Until next week, I'm Sabrina Samuels, wishing you love, peace, happiness, and our Heavenly Father's divine order. He loves us all and He wants the best for us. And we have to believe that. You and me and all of us. Talk to you soon. Love you.